To do or to make? That is the question. These two words and their usage in English are among the easily confused words in spoken and written English. Welcome to the Canadian English online course. Today we are going to talk about to do or to make. We're going to help you understand how to use these words correctly, along with examples. First, when we use do and make with noun phrases in a sentence, do focuses on the process of acting or performing something, whilst make emphasizes more the product or outcome of an action. Example 1. When I was doing the calculations, I made 2 mistakes. In this sentence, we see the action in the phrase when I was doing the calculations, and the outcome of that action was I made 2 mistakes. Example 2. I did some work for her last summer. I made a pond in her garden. Now, can you isolate the action and the outcome? If your mental answer was I did some work is the action and you found the outcome to be I made a pond, then you are absolutely correct. Now, let us take a look at examples of nouns used with do and make. Here are nouns which combine with do. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Activity, damage, favor, job, task, business, drawing, gardening, laundry, test, cleaning, duty, harm, one's best, washing up, cooking, examination, homework, painting, work, cause, exercise, ironing, shopping. Here are 3 examples of usage. Shopping. I do the shopping on Fridays usually. Job. Could you do a job for me next week? Cooking. Who does the cooking in your house? Some nouns which combine with make are apology, coffee, excuse, love, offer, remark, assumption, comment, friends, lunch, phone call, sound, bed, complaint, guess, mess, plan, soup, breakfast, dinner, law, mistake, profit, speech, cake, effort, progress, change, error, law, noise. These are 3 examples of usage. Offer. They made me an interesting offer of a job in Berlin. Profit. Not many construction firms will make a profit this year. Phone call. I have to make a phone call. Now, before I go, I would want to remind you to use your tenses correctly when using do or make, as with any form of grammar. Here are the various tense forms of both do and make on your screen for your recollection. The verb to do has 4 forms. The present tense form has do or does. The present continuous has doing. The past tense has did. And the past participle has done. Now, the verb to make has 3 forms. Present tense, make. Present continuous, making. Past tense and past participle, made. This is an example sentence for when you don't remember what tense of make or do to use. Can you do the math? 1 + 1 makes 2. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching and you hope to see you again soon.
Not
Bye.
watch alone. Subscribe to this channel and press the notification